So here's the A natural minor in its open position. So we're going to start with the second string from the top, which is the A string. We're going to do an open A. We're then going to use our first finger in the second fret of that A string. Our second finger is going to go to the third fret of the A string. We're then going to do an open D, which is the third string from the top. Then second fret with our first finger in the D string. Second finger, third fret, D string. We're then going to play an open G, which is fourth string from the top, and finish on the second fret of that G string with our first finger.